Alright, so last night we went and hung out with some of Gabby's friends. And then today we met up with one of Gabby's friends, Jessica. And we're going to go to Box Canyon. We're on our way down there. We're going to hike. I heard they got some waterfalls here too, so we're going to go check it out. Y'all ready to go hiking?
Yeah, my chair's so wiggly.
I don't know where we're going swimming at.
You gotta follow the people you know that.
Yeah. Jessica's gonna take us on the trail. We're gonna go hiking first, and then I don't know where the swimming hole's at. I don't know if it's down there or not. It is beautiful though. Yep.
With a bare hand.
Wow, dude. That water's so clear.
I mean, we're a type of work, but we're getting to work today.
This is a nice hiking trip.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Woo. Dude, that is so beautiful. Look at the big birds just flying over the canyon. Oh man. Like turkey buzzards. Look. That's a crow right there. Uh-huh. You all ready to start our descent?
Yeah. Now I want to record some animals.
Look, there they go walking down right there. That's where we gotta go. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let me go first.
Oh, yep. Through here. Hang on to the rope, okay?
Come here. Ready?
So hang on to the rope.
Yeah. Stay right here though. Come on, man. You gotta stand up so I can carry you. You got it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, Ellie.
Yeah, always go.
Step on this. You ready? Put your butt down. You got it?
Yeah.
You got it?
No, I don't got it. You know my ass is close as hell. Okay, go. I'll move it up.
See the little cave?
Wow.
Got it, Jojo? Just say wait.
Wait up, Jojo.
This looks like it's parkour.
It looks like parkour. You're funny, Tony.
A lot of kids too, like they're so like pictures and everything.
Just be careful with the rocks. Make sure you step on a sturdy. All right.
He's like, I said I'm never even
Just take it slow and then come on down.
And he found me. I'm like, you found me. Yeah. He added me like on Facebook and then
Woo. Look at this. Yeah, there's a trail that goes to it too. Oh. Oh. I didn't think that through. That was hard getting back down. Now everybody's leaving me.
yeah, walk by it.
Make sure you put your feet on the rocks, sissy. Use the rocks as like anchors. All right, we made it down the hill on some flat land now. Oh, look at the water. It's so clear and beautiful.
Can't wait for this one.
Let me get past you, baby. I'm coming, boys. Remember to watch out for snakes, all right? Wow. You hate the bushes? It scares you?
All that stuff right there.
Oh, wow. Keep going, boys. More bushes. Oh, there's a big rock in the middle I didn't see. Watch out for those big rocks, sissy. All right, when we get out of the bushes, let's wait on. Kind of like poison ivy.
Yeah. Take your shirt off, huh?
Yeah, me too. I'm hot. Nice hot day, perfect for swimming, huh, Tony? Everybody coming? Oh man, so beautiful. What is it?
It's like a little cave.
Oh, a mini cave? Is that where you're gonna live?
No.
No, that's where JoJo's gonna live. Wild Man Mowgli.
Yeah.
Oh, some shade. We got some shade.
Finally.
Hey, let's wait right here for the girls. Let's wait right here for the girls. Said there used to be a bridge right here.
You can literally stand on that rock. Oh, my son, over here. My son stand on that rock right there. That's a waterfall.
All right, so this is where the bridge was.
Remember since we used to have the coat?
You got it, Tony?
Oh no.
Oh man, that's beautiful. Look at that waterfall. Oh, Tony, be careful. You coming, Sissy? You good?
Yeah.
You like the beautiful waterfall?
Yeah.
The water's so clear.
Yeah, I know, it's so beautiful. I bet it's cold too.
It is cold.
Wow, it's super deep right there. It's super deep, man. Yeah. I can see the bottom, but it's deep. More trees or bushes. Just checking her, make sure she's okay. Looks like there used to be a bridge here too. A little boat pull you straight across. And that's what that winch is. Oh yeah, I love it. So beautiful. How long have we been hiking so far? A good 20 minutes, huh? I mean, we're down at the bottom. I don't know where the swimming hole is. We done come around a corner. Dude, that water was so clear at the waterfall. I guarantee it was like 15 foot deep and you could still see the bottom. That's crazy. You want to wait for the girls in the shade? Get down here at the bottom. Come on, go where he's at. All right, wait up. We'll wait here for the girls. Right here. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Right here.
I wonder how much farther to the swimming hole. Back to the sun. Sweating like crazy. Beautiful hike. Long hike. Gonna get some swimming in. A little worried about going back up. It's a long ways down. And after swimming, being tired, it's gonna be a long ways back up with these kids. Yeah.
With the boys, with the girls.
Oh, look at that water. So beautiful. That'd be way too big to be a mountain lion. He'd be a little speck all the way up there. JoJo trying to say he's seeing a mountain lion because the rock's a different color up there. That would be one huge mountain lion I wouldn't want to mess with. Oh, back in the shade. Be careful, sis. Oh, be careful, Tony. You good?
Yeah.
Hey, they said we're almost there. Then we can relax. Oh, there's a bridge. Wow.
Now you can jump off it.
I ain't jumping off of it. You crazy? I mean, it does look a little big, deep down there, but I am not jumping off of it. Look how fast that water's moving. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Oh, the swimming hole. She needs the same energy whenever y'all go back. You hear? We can't be carrying y'all all the way up the mountain. Or the canyon. I guess it's a canyon, not a mountain. Oh yeah, look at the, look how clear it is.
I know, it might be safe. Over here. So we're gonna go around this and go all the way.
Yeah, look at that.
Help me, Daddy.
Just jump. You're good. Jump and land on both feet.
You know her?
See? Easy. Look at that, bro.
Look how pretty that is.
Dang, it's so clear. Be careful, sissy. Be careful.
Oh, right here, this is it. I think it is. I got stung and
Yeah, that's where Tony got stung.
Did he?
Yeah, he just got stung.
Well, he says like,
Boys, wait up. I stop and help him across the way and y'all leave us. We're almost there. Yeah. Look how clear it is. There's trees out in the middle. Yeah. So the swimming hole's man-made. A little dam. A little dam. Oh man. Dude, that's so beautiful. They're trout, aren't they?
I don't know. I don't know my fish.
What's up?
the water's
I thought y'all were ready to go swimming. What happened?
heat up with the sun. The water's
Whew. It's cold.
We're swimming across. This is pretty bad. I think I'm gonna help.
Dude, it's super cold.
I know.
How cold is it, Jojo? Dude, it's so cold, it's unbearable.
I bought a floating that has a blue
It's so cold, huh, bro? Get back down. Let me see you get down. Woo. It's like an ice bath. You ready? You gonna jump in? Look at Jojo. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Look at Jojo. It's cold, but he's in there. All right, just jump in and then get right back out, dude. Come on, come on. Jump. Jump in, jump in. Come on, go. It's so cold. So cold. I gotta warm my legs back up. Alright, go, Joseph.
Dude, that's because you're not in the water. Dude, this guy is... Look at you swimming. Is it cold?
He's swimming across with me.
Off for the fishes. And cold. Yeah. Time to hike back. You see the little waterfall coming off the side of the mountain?
Yeah.
Early in the morning, I go back up that way.
Daddy, this would be a nice hiking trip in the morning.
Yeah. Mountain lions? I hope not. Uh-huh. Where's he at? Tony was up there trying to race him for first. Woo.
He said, fuck that.
Yeah.
Away from you.
He keeps on running away from him.
He's the leader. Are you recording this?
Yeah. A little bit, like 10. Alright, let's see how Sissy does this.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back Calibre.
Oh yeah, they're going up. That's the climb we're about to make. You ready? We're almost back, guys. We just gotta make the steep climb now. Y'all ready?
No, oh, we got it. Oh, now you're regretting it?
I was kind of excited to see the other way, but you all good back there? Y'all want to take a break in the shade up here?
Yeah. I'm like, look at like, they like the same skin color and everything. We're almost there, buddy.
Almost to the top.
We keep saying that. Like, that's gonna make us feel better.
No, not doing that. We're gonna slide down.
Almost to the top.
Looks scary when we're right by the head.
Yeah, no gym needed here. Whew! Finally back to the top. Whew, almost back.
We're always supposed to be trying to get everything ready and we forget everything. That's how I am. You're like, damn, I forgot this. Dang, I forgot.
That water feel good on your back, Tony? It's hot out here, huh? We made it back from our hike. Ooh, it's hot. That water